unknown po is where you can get freebies from different houses or courts that binibuild ng mga community, which is the fans. Sabi ko dito is sa may parking dito, phase 3. Ay, pumunta mo muna pala ng police again bago pumunta ng parking. Which is
Ito sir, parking fee.
B ba o D? Anong parking?
parking.